Okay, here are some questions you might want to know how to do from exercise 3.6 on exponential equations. First one I'm showing you is 3i. You have 3a to the 2/7 minus 2 equals 10. I've done some of it so far, so I've added 2 to both sides. I get 3a to the 2/7 equals 12. Then I divide by 3 on both sides and I get a to the 2/7 equals 4. And then to make the 2/7 become a 1, remember you have to raise that to the power of its reciprocal. So a to the 2/7 gets raised to the 7 on 2, but do the same to the other side. Okay, now 2/7 times 7 on 2 becomes 1, so therefore a to the power 1 is equal to 4 to the 7 on 2, which happens to be the square root of 4 to the power 7. Okay, square root of 4 is 2, so that's 2 to the power 7, which will give you, on your calculator, 128. Next one, we have x to the minus 3 on 2, same thing, raise that minus 3 on 2 to the minus 2/3, okay, and same with this side, minus 2/3. All right, that will become 1, okay, when you multiply them together, so you get x is equal to 8 to the minus 2, 8 over 125 to minus 2/3. Now, I don't like that minus, I'm just going to turn this upside down to get rid of that minus and raise it to a positive index, and then find 125 to the 2/3 and 8 to the 2/3. Okay, now 125 to 2/3 means the cube root of 125, which happens to be 5, and then square that, you get 25. And then the cube root of 8 is 2, and square that and you get 4. So x is equal to 25 over 4. This one, next one, 6h, is you divide that by 5. So you get 3 to the x equals 9. And you know that 3 squared is 9, so x is equal to 2. 7i, I've got 2 to the 4x equals 256. Okay, now 2 to the 4x is equal to 2 to the 8 in this case, because 2 to the 8 gives you 256, and you can do that, you can find that out by trial and error on your calculator. The bases are now the same, so we equate the indices. 4x equals 8, x is going to equal 2. Let's go to 8e. We've got 1 over 1,000. That happens to be 1 over 10 squared. And 100 happens to be 10 squared. Don't forget to the k. All right? Now, you know that 1 to the k, 1 to the power anything is 1. So get rid of that. And then 10 to the 2 to the k is 10 to the 2k, which is equal to 10 squared. Now, this here is 10 to the minus 2k. So 10 to the minus 2k is equal to 10 squared, which means that we're going to equate the powers again, because the bases are the same. Minus 2k equals 2, so k is equal to minus 1. Let's go to 8i. Okay, this is 1/4 of the 3k. All right, so I can turn this upside down and put a minus in front of the power, or simply do what I did back here, you know, raise it to the power one at a time. So I can simply write 1 to the 3k, you know that's 1 over 4 to the 3k equals 2. Now, 4 happens to be 2 squared. First of all, let's write this, you know, without the fraction. So it'd be 4 to the minus 3k equals 2. Much easier. And then 4 is 2 squared. So 2 squared is raised to the minus 3k, which is equal to 2. And then 2 times minus 3k is minus 6k. And minus 6k is equal to 1, because the bases are now the same. So minus 6k equals 1. So therefore k equals minus 1/6. I'm running out of room here. All right, never mind. I'll just rule that off. All right, let's go to 9d. All right, not a hard one at all. 4 to the 3n and 8 to the n plus 3. Now, both of these are powers of 2, so 4 is 2 to the 2. Remember, raise it to the 3n. And 8 is 2 to the 3, which is raised to the n plus 3. Okay, multiply powers, 2 times 3n, 6n, and 3 times n plus 3. Okay, equating your powers because the bases are the same. So 6n equals 3n plus 9. Take away 3n, 3n equals 9. Therefore, n equals 3. Let's look at 9j. So you have 5 to the minus x. Okay, that's the same as 1 over 5 to the x. Now, the reason why I'm writing like that is because it's convenient, all right, because you have a fraction here which looks like that. Okay, now 1 over 5 to the x is equal to 1 over 5 squared in this case. 25 is 5 squared. If you've got a 1 on top, just equate your powers. You've got the same base, so x is equal to 2. All right, and now we'll just do 2 questions from number 10. Okay, first question, 4 to the m equals the square root of 2. Now, both of those you can write as powers of 2. 4 is 2 squared. And the square root of 2 is 2 to the half. So 2 times m is 2m equals a half. Okay, so you get 4m equals 1. And therefore m is equal to 1/4. And that's 10a. Let's go to 10h. Okay, looks a bit trickier, but still, you've got, 3, and you've got 9. Now, you know that you can change 9 to 3 squared to the power 2b plus 5. And this one, just write it as one thing. So you've got 3 to the b times 3 to the half, which becomes 3 to the b plus a half. Okay, these powers get multiplied to outside of 2b plus 5, and this gets added. Okay, and then just solve that for b.